These are all super old. Contact lenses haven't been opened, so they're safe. This is old. These are old. All of these are so old. I love these, but these hurt my eyes. I can't wear these anymore. This is what I'm talking about. If you don't take care of your lenses, they will crystallize, and this is not what you want in your eyes. This is extremely dangerous. Like, here, I'm gonna get this out. This is not good. And if you wash it off and think you are gonna put this in your eye, you better think again. Throw those away. These ones are also purple. I have an affinity for purple lenses. You can just see purple lens here. So I had a hard time wanting to throw these away. These are really special. I've had these so long. I'm just kind of hoarding it, but these are a special butterfly lens. They're butterfly lens that have skulls on it. It just looks really cool. I had these since what, 2010? They're old, but you can't buy them anymore. But you know, maybe that's the safe part. I love this. I got this at Daiso. Oh, I love these. These from, oh, look, it's crystallizing. This is so dangerous. So this is one of those purple lenses. I love having purple contact lenses. I'll probably just have to buy like a brand new set. Oh, there we go. All of these are garbage now. I'm just gonna show you guys, like, this is going to be a follow-up video, obviously, but this one's old. I've had this since like 2007. Ugh, the plastic even feels gross. So this is a snowflake one. It's really cool. I definitely can't wear that. I haven't been taking care of these anyways. So let's see. What's in you? Oh, this was a blue one. It's also crispy. So you can see the difference here. This is really dangerous. Yeah, don't risk your eyesight. So you can kind of see these ones. These ones are just whiteouts. I don't think I really got to wear these often. I like them a lot. I'll just have to buy new ones. It's better to buy new ones than afford $1,000 surgeries of eye shape. These were the ones. Oh my god. I got these at a store here in Denmark, and these were so painful. So these were like this fire eye. I was gonna use this for Ari. And it hurts so bad to wear. And look, you can see how bad it crystallized. So I'm sorry about the dryer. It's not good. Oh, this one's also crystallized. This was one of my favorites that wasn't purple. This was like this aquamarine color. Alright, so that empties out this. We can recycle this box in the recycle room. Oh, sadness. I'm going to have to throw these away. These are definitely old, but these are my first scaleras. You saw this on my YouTube channel. I'm just going to throw that out. Look what happened when I didn't take care of them. It crystallized over and it's misshapen. You definitely don't want to put this in. Oh, and last but not least, I think these were my ex's, but I took them from him. This was his Archer cosplay lenses. I don't think we have many like images. Oops! Well, it's going in the garbage anyways, but this is really dangerous because, you know, it's crunchy. It's not safe. Obviously, these are pretty good. So these don't have an expiration date. Soft contact lens. I haven't opened them, so they're still sealed, so I think it's okay. Yeah, so I'm not worried about these at all, but make sure you're safe with your other contact lenses, guys. This has been a PSA to you all. I know this is like a cop-out day for the 31 days of Halloween, but this is just the pure horror. I know I talked about it in my last video, but this is going to be a sequential video showing you the horrors of what contact lenses could do, and if you think it's okay to put it back in your eye, it's really not. But if you like understand these things, then you can kind of just skip this video. So thanks for coming in, and I hope it's been terrifying. Happy 31 days of Halloween, and I'll see you in the next video.